Alright, what's up YouTube? So we're back. We were supposed to go to Caffiene and Octane today, but literally two of our friends, they got a flat tire, and then they got one of them, their car wouldn't start. Let me turn the camera around for y'all. This is Adri over here. Adri, what we doing?
We're at the gas station, and I really want to see Lorax, his orange RCF. He has my dream build.
Okay.
Yes, we have to go see it, and I will be jumping for joy.
What's your favorite car right now?
A Lexus RCF, the 2015.
When do you think you're gonna get it?
My 21st birthday.
Your 21st? When is that?
January 3rd.
Is that next year?
Yes.
Okay. Y'all heard it first. Okay, y'all heard it first. All right, so let's go talk to everybody. Let's see everybody's cars. Let me show y'all. So obviously my baby, that's Chris, that's Adri's. We have we're gonna go over there to his in a minute. So we got our boy here, Baby Cobra. His shit just got fucked up. Let me show y'all in a second. We got Gay Boy here.
Who's gay?
You.
Hey man, I'm just gonna let y'all know my name Mike on the mic. You feel me? You know, I'm out here with my boy. I'm out here with my other boy. We're out here with my little. No.
We're out here with Tyler.
OG right here. Go ahead and let people know what you about. Go ahead.
What you driving today?
What you got?
Huh?
Said these nuts.
What you driving today?
What am I driving? A 2022 Mustang GT.
Okay. What's your mods on it?
Nothing in stock.
Stock. You sure about that?
Very stock.
You haven't done anything at all to it?
Nope, very stock.
You haven't done nothing to the exhaust?
Nope, straight pipe. Officer.
Yo, he's fucking lying.
Straight pipe, that's not a mod.
Jalen,
Saturday.
what car you driving, my boy?
We go Bugatti Veyron. Something like
Damn! Wait, where is it? I didn't see it. You left it at home?
You know the shit that the what's it called? The Just League used to have, how it's invisible.
Okay.
Oh shit. DJ, show us your car, man.
Show it.
Yeah, show us your car. What you driving?
S197, white S197.
Okay. How long you had it?
2 years.
2 years? Okay. Would you say that's your dream car?
Yeah, nah, GT500.
GT500. How close are you to getting that GT500?
Oh, real close.
Real close? That boy got that money, right?
I ain't gonna say all that, but we gonna make it happen for sure.
All right.
We gonna make it happen.
AJ, tell everybody what you driving, man.
Mustang.
Okay. S650? Okay. What you got done to it? Go ahead and tell
I got
everybody.
a whole video on my Instagram. Okay, follow me. LK made it. Appreciate it.
Yo, this nigga, look. He got to throw that shit in.
Yeah, I do. What's your first name? It's right there on the side. It's right there.
I'm looking at the Super Saiyan 4
Man,
Vegeta. That's how.
Listen. Boy, I gotta dab you up, man. Only the
Anyways, y'all look at the interior of his car, man. S650. He got like a little toy car of his car on the passenger seat. This is actually pretty nice. All red on the interior. Let me show y'all the exterior a little bit. Get out the camera. Oh yeah. All red. He also has LEDs, but obviously right now the car is turned off. Look at the rims on the side. You got a diffuser in the back. Oh yeah. All right, Chris. Show me your car. What car you driving actually?
That one? Right beside your car?
That one? What you got done to it?
I gutted cats. I got no resonator, no muffler, different injectors, bigger intake.
Okay. Are you gonna do anything else to the car?
Yeah, I got headers on the way.
Okay. How much the headers cost?
800.
Wait.
JT.
No.
What you driving?
Nothing.
Nothing. So whose car are you in?
Not mine.
Not yours.
No.
Nah, get out the car. Get out the car. We don't do all that. Nah, for real. What you driving today?
My 2018 TLX A-Spec.
2018 TLX A-Spec. Okay. What's your favorite feature on your car right now?
don't know.
You don't know. How long you had it?
A couple months.
Couple months? Would you say like 6 months, 5 months?
About 6 months.
Okay, okay. What's your dream car?
NSX.
NXX? Okay, okay, that's what's up. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all her car a little bit. Rev it, rev it, rev it. Little mom car. Nothing too crazy. And let's go talk to Asia.
Okay, well then I just sit down.
What's up,
Hi.
light skin?
Hi.
My bad. I don't mean to mess up your toes. Look at her toes. Clean.
My hands too.
Clean. Y'all,
Hey guys, my name is Asia. Follow me on Instagram, 5.08.
I ain't say all that. No, I ain't say all that.
Follow me on Instagram.
I ain't say all. No. I ain't say all that.
Okay.
What car do you drive?
A 5.0 Mustang.
Okay. What's your favorite feature on your car right now?
The engine.
What kind of fucking answer is that?
That's not a feature.
Anyways, back to you.
Why you gotta be so close, right?
Anyways, what's your favorite feature on the car right now?
Come on, let me go show you.
All right. Not come on, let me go show you. Mind you, y'all, this shit dirty as fuck right now. This shit dirty as hell. Oh my God, look how dirty it is.
My spoiler.
That's your favorite feature? Really?
Gives me like 7 horsepower extra.
70?
7.
7?
6, 7.
Get the fuck out of here. So y'all, this is.
Recorder's dirty.
I already recorded it. So look, the only thing she really got done was the lights, and that's it. We're waiting on headers.
Mind you, I just got my car back, so bear with me.
Yeah, we're bearing with her. It's been like what, 4 or 5 months now.
Capping is my car.
It's your car?
Yep.
Why you get in the passenger seat?
She driving for me. I got it like that. Talk about.
All right, y'all. So yeah, this is her car, man. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. White with the black stripe. Not bad. All right, Mr. Michael.
What's up?
What's up, baby?
Huh?
What's up, baby?
This Mr. Chameleon, you feel me?
Mr. Chameleon.
You know, he out here. He something clean. We gonna go under the hood. We got everything. We got my 5.0
Okay.
with the aerated intake.
Okay.
We got short tube headers, not long tube, just short tube headers.
Okay.
We got bigger injectors, and we just changed our spark plugs.
Okay. What's your favorite feature on the car?
Honestly, it's the wrap. My wrap.
The wrap?
The wrap. Like you can't get better. Can't get better than this, bro.
Look at the wrap.
You can't get better than this, bro.
Ooh.
Damn. Colors, man.
Damn.
Can't get better than that, man.
Let's take a bigger look at the wrap real quick, y'all. And that's Chris in the background, loud ass car. But yeah, this is the wrap. It's super nice in the sun. Oh man. And I love the tips on here. Pause on that. But yeah, I love the tips on this car. All right, Mr. Chris.
Like not look disabled. Get down.
Would you be able to turn your car back on for us to hear it? Give us a little rev, okay?
I'm gonna stand behind the car if you want to hear it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me do a whole 360 of the car for y'all. All black, nothing really done to it cosmetic wise. Y'all hear that? God damn!
Got headers on the way too.
Oh,
This thing's
shit.
about to be super loud. Yeah.
Yeah, he kind of fucked up the car, but
That's called a deer.
a deer hit his car, y'all. All right, okay. So you said the next thing you're gonna get on the car is headers, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And after headers, you're probably start saving up for the Pro Charger.
Okay.
Get all that fixed up.
Stay cruising. That's his crew. He is also in it. What you want? Anyway, so he's with Stay Cruising. It's another group he's in. He is also with us. So that's our boy. Where's Tyler? Let's go talk to Tyler. Let's save Chrissy for the last. All right, Tyler, what do you drive?
2018 530E.
Okay. I don't know what the hell that is. What is that?
So it's a turbo 4-cylinder stock. It has 320. I got about 4 and change, and then it has a battery on top of it.
Okay.
Gives you an extra 100 and change.
Come on, let's go over to your car. Y'all, let me show y'all his car, man. Look at his beauty right here. Y'all see the lights in the front, man. Finally somebody else in the group besides Jalen that got fucking RGBs. Fucking super sexy, all black, tinted as fuck. You know you can't see him inside. Pop the hood on us. We got the carbon fiber in the front. Ooh, look at the engine. Ooh. You gonna give us a little rev?
Yeah.
This, oh shit, this shit hot. But this is the adhesive tape he got on. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, let him warm up a little bit. But what's your next mod on your car?
Honestly, if I don't sell it, probably a bigger turbo.
Bigger?
It's a bigger turbo.
Yo. So bigger turbo, okay. What's your favorite feature?
The burbles.
The burbles?
Yeah, the
okay.
gunshot.
Let's give it a little second to fucking heat up. Damn. Look at the little lights. You can turn it any color, right?
Nah, just blue.
Just blue? Okay.
So to change the color, I got to take off the whole bumper and the headlight. On the bottom is the module. So I already had orange and yellow, so I got blue.
Okay.
Next, I might go green.
Okay.
So I can match the inside.
That's a lime green?
Yeah, lime green.
Okay. He about to show us how it sounds real quick. Okay, not bad. Bitches over here. Bitch ass niggas over here. What the fuck were you doing?
I walked over to freaking Junior.
Doing some gay shit.
I didn't do nothing gay.
He was helping you.
He was?
You were humping me. You were humping me.
Yo.
You want an example?
Yo, he's.
You want an example?
Yo. All right, Junior, your turn. You show us your car. So you say you got a 2018.
Yeah, Toyota Camry.
Yeah, no. We're gonna leave the Toyota over there. That's your girl inside? Inside the car. Oh shit.
I drive a 2021 Mustang GT 5.0.
Okay.
Nothing done to it. Stock, just rims. Basic.
Okay. What's your favorite feature on the car?
That is fast.
It's not a fucking feature.
Feature drag mode.
Drag mode? Okay.
I have the premium.
I thought you were Michael.
I got the premium package, so I come with drag mode. Now S550 come with drag mode.
Okay.
I do.
Go ahead and turn it on. Let us hear it. Got the lights on the side.
Basic.
Do you think that's too loud?
No, not at all.
No? What's your next mod?
Headers.
Headers?
Yep.
Okay.
On tube headers, high flow cats, and then ESS after.
ESS. How much an ESS cost?
$6 grand.
$6 grand?
Yep, $6 grand.
Damn. When do you think you'll get that?
December.
December?
It's gonna be a minute, yeah, because I want to buy everything I need and then just put it all together at one time.
Okay. We got a Junior car over here, y'all. Not bad. Nice little blue on it.
Nice little Mustang. Nice little build.
Yeah, got the billet.
Now, if y'all want to race, just let me know. I'll meet y'all on 675 like at 2 in the morning.
Yeah, don't race him. Don't race him at all.
I'll go get my other car.
All right, y'all, man. We about to head up out of here. That's everybody's car besides Jalen, but Jalen's talking. Yeah, we're about to head up out of here. Try to go to Caffiene and Octane and see if we can see something over there before this shit gets shut down. But yeah.